Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show that brings you the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning before the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. Now, it's Friday, November the 2nd, and as always, Fridays are slow news cycle days, so we don't have a lot of news for you, but as always, we focus on quality over quantity. I've got two great press releases for you. Let's start off with JER Envirotech, trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under the stock symbol JER. They announced a 4-year supply agreement with Guardian Building Products out of the United States. In order to really understand what this contract means, let's first talk about JER Envirotech. They're a global manufacturer of biocomposite compounds. What does that mean? They've got patent technology that they utilize to produce environmentally friendly alternative products for application in construction, automotive, and the transport industries. So what are they doing exactly with Guardian? I think Edward Truman, who's JER's president CEO, sums it up best, because this is highly technical, but this sums it up best for you. We initially developed 2 custom polypropylene-based biocomposite formulations that are now being used by Guardian for an extruded construction material. Testing these formulations was completed in May of 2007, and by the end of August, we ramped up to more than 168,000 pounds of pellets supplied on a monthly basis. What makes our new formalized relationship with Guardian particularly exciting is that the end-use product is, in fact, a new product line introduction that has been receiving accolades in the market. How big is Guardian? They operate more than 100 regional offices, distribution centers, and manufacturing facilities to service their global marketplace. So what you've got here is a small cap company initiating a supply agreement with a major U.S. supplier to the global market. And on top of that, what they're doing is formulating a brand new product receiving accolades in the market. That's a winning formula all the way around. The company right now is trading at 72 cents. Take a close look at JER. And finally, Rambler announces a big intersection of 8.2 feet of 6.04% copper. Rambler trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under the stock symbol RAB, and for our friends out of the UK, they trade on the AIM under the stock symbol RMM. This is pretty big news. It's the latest intersection from its ongoing surface drilling program on their upper mining footwall zone. That originally returned 33.5 feet of 2.5% copper, including 8.2 feet of 6.04% copper. Now, why is this important? The upper mining footwall zone was first discovered during a 2006 drilling program when one of their holes returned 19.7 feet of 14.4% copper. That's a really big number, but along with that, they also got 1.8 grams of gold per ton. Since that discovery, 3 more drill holes have intersected the high-grade mineralization, bring its total plunge depth to 500 feet, and this new hole extends the mineralization an additional 300 feet down plunge. To put it all into perspective, we got a quote from George Ogilvy, the Vice President CEO of the company, who did say, "This new discovery more than doubles the previously intercepted mineralized zone and is very significant at these widths and grades. We believe that the old mine will continue to reveal other opportunities of this nature, in particular once we start underground drilling in November. This zone is within 300 feet of the old mine workings, which will facilitate a quick and cost-effective startup in the mining phase." So you've got a really advanced scale project here at a Rambler, and the company right now is trading at $1.10. That's it for the day. Quality over quantity, 2 great press releases. Have yourself a fantastic weekend. If you need to do some research in the meantime into small cap companies, don't forget about the AGORACOM marketplace. Over 75 companies listed by industry and exchange, so you can find those that are best suited for your portfolio needs. Other than that, have a great weekend. See you on Monday when, as always, we expect significant news flow out of the small cap world, and we'll be bringing you, as always, the best of the best on that day. Have a great weekend. Talk to you soon.